old boys, current boys, ladies and gentlemen. A very good evening to one and all, and thank you for coming to celebrate with us. Brother Edmundo, thank you for making the trip all the way just to be with us tonight, and he's flying out again tomorrow morning. Now tonight's a special night. Tonight we pay tribute to the past as we celebrate 60 years since the founding of the school. With many changes through our countries, that have swept through our country, this school is unique because we are still standing in the very site it was founded in 1954. Very few schools and institutions can make that claim today. Indeed, the school has come a long way, and not without its trials and tribulations. Many will remember many ups and downs, including the name change to SGI Junior. But in spite of all of that, the school that stands today was lovingly built by the brothers, principals, staff, parent volunteers, students, and the many friends of the school over a long 60-year period. And many of them are here with us tonight, especially all the ex-principals and ex-teachers. Maybe I can just wave all the ex-principals and teachers. Yes, a big warm round of applause for all the teachers who have put in the hard work over the last 60 years. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to each and every one of them for giving of their life to the school and for helping many boys to learn how to learn and to learn how to live. As a result of their silent education, today many of our boys continue to serve in all walks of life in Singapore with philanthropists, religious brothers, entrepreneurs, doctors, political leaders, educators, scholars. We even have priests, civil servants, and even a professional footballer. So whether you knew it as St. Michael's or St. Joseph's, let tonight be a time of remembering old relationships and forging new friendships. As you enjoy the festivities tonight, I must thank the many people who have come together as a community to make this dinner possible. First, I would like to thank my staff for planning and organizing, especially the dynamic duo of Mrs. Serene Ng and Colleen Shears. Where are they? They're over there. They led the way together with the St. Michael's Alumni Association, led by Michael Ang, Mike, Gerard Hui, Fidelius Pang, Adrian Craig, Bernard Tan, who's not here tonight, Christopher Gee, as well as the many parent volunteers. I also want to make special mention of Mr. Joseph Bong, who has rallied his class of 66, and together they have contributed generously to the school building fund. And something else that many people don't know about, they've actually quietly been growing the Needy Pupil Fund to help all the needy pupils in our school. So to them, I'd like to say a big thank you. Also for sponsoring the band True Blue tonight. I hope you enjoyed the music tonight. Thank you, Mr. Joseph Wong and the class of 66. I must also thank Mr. Kelvin Montero. If you were on Facebook, you would know who Kelvin Montero is. If you've never seen his face, Kelvin, can you stand up? Kelvin's over there. Yeah, he's affectionately known in the community as the Facebook guy. So he's been helping us connect with the whole community. But together with Lam Chi Soon, who was basking downstairs, Robert Singh, who's helping with the photography, he's running around now, Edmund Koh, Nigel and Daryl, Benedict for sponsoring the wine on the table, and Lawrence Low for an aerial video that you will see later. And last but not least, to a younger old boy, Augustine Ashley, for that beautiful cake over there. And later the St. Michael's on top will be up for auction. And to the many others who have put in a lot of effort, I just want to say a big thank you. Now, as an aided school, we will always need to raise money. So tonight, we will also be launching a final set of stained glass. As you can see, there's some beautiful stained glass around the school. But at the back, the 13 panels are waiting for us to install them. And the final series consists of the patron saints that our classes are named after. So there is some information on your tables. If you take out, you will see a write-up of the proposed stained glass. I do appeal to everyone to sponsor if you are able to, if not as a group. If not individually, then as a group. All proceeds from the dinner as well and the sales will also go towards our school development. So do go around tonight to the various booths outside, downstairs, and I wish all of you an enjoyable evening. And lastly, I'd like to thank God for the last 60 years and ask for His blessings for the next 60, so that our glorious legacy may live on. Cheers, everyone.